Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, thank you so much for the opportunity given to me. My name is Aulia Nisa Alifa from Institut Pendidikan Indonesia Garut, and in this video, I'm going to present my research entitled Understanding of E-commerce in the Digital Era of Entrepreneurship Study to Entrepreneurial Interests. The development of universal information and communication currently affect in the increase in the global business, especially related to the e-commerce in digital business. Platforms available for e-commerce that are often used both locally and internationally, such as Amazon, eBay, Rakuten, Alibaba, JD.com, as well as a local platform that are no less big, namely Bukalapak, Tokopedia, Shopee, and Lazada. The industrial development of e-commerce in Indonesia has grown very rapidly. In the fourth quarter of 2020, by 36%, the number of transactions increased by 53% to reach 750,000 transactions that occur in various marketplaces in the last 3 months. The COVID-19 pandemic situation, which has not yet improved the early 2021, is considered to encourage e-commerce penetration, which is predicted to grow at 50% for a total of 138 million users in 2020, or reach 159 million users in 2021. Meanwhile, the industry revenue is predicted to increase by 26%, reach $38 million from $30 million in 2020. The motivation of student of social science education at the Indonesian Institute of Education in Garut for Entrepreneurship was seen when the lecturer in charge of entrepreneurship course gave the topic of e-commerce. In this talk, during online lecture, during the COVID-19 pandemic, the even semester of 2020 until 2021 academic years, students were enthusiastic about doing assignment. Every student is required by the lecturer to create 5 accounts to market creative product on e-commerce platform that are currently trending, such as Bukalapak, Shopee, Tokopedia, Lazada, and Bilibili. It turned out that during the final evaluation, there were several students who were already running their business online marketing. Literature review of this research: e-commerce is a dynamic set of technologies, applications, and business processes that link enterprise, consumer, and communities through electronic transaction and the electronic exchange of goods, service, and information. An entrepreneur is someone who willing and able to overhaul the economic system, turning a new idea or invention into a successful innovation. This new innovation can take the form of new products, new organization or management, new ways of producing, using new raw materials. The method in this research is descriptive research with a quantitative approach. Descriptive research is a research conducted to determine the value of independent variable, either one or more independent variables, without making comparisons or connecting with other variables. The approach used in this study is a quantitative approach because the data obtained are related to numbers that allows statistical analysis techniques to be used. Result of this research is the entrepreneurial interest of IFI Garut social science education student was 78.4%, and the influence of e-commerce in the digital era on the interest of IFI Garut social science educational entrepreneurs by 51%, and entrepreneurship education can increase students' interest in entrepreneurship by 11.8%, and simultaneous influence of e-commerce in the digital era reinforced by entrepreneurship lectures 80.2%. And conclusion from this research is understanding e-commerce in the digital era has a positive and significant impact on the student entrepreneurial interest, and entrepreneurship and e-commerce lecture in the digital era have an effect on the student entrepreneurship interest. Okay, that's my presentation. Hopefully it's useful for all. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.